Hello everyone. Welcome. Hello everyone. Welcome to our course Immersive Art in VR, where I'll be giving you a lesson on how to sketch and paint inside a very specific software called OpenBrush, which we'll be using for this lesson. So before that, I'll give you a quick rundown on what OpenBrush is about. So OpenBrush is a free and open source VR painting software powered by Google Tiltbrush. So in this software, you are you can basically sketch and draw in 3D space. So I'll just show you here. You can see it here, and you have access to many different kind of dynamic and animated brushes. Unlike any 2D traditional sketching where you have to draw in 2D flat surface, here you have the freedom to sketch and draw anywhere. So to download this software, you have two options. First is you can download it from the Steam platform in your PC, or you can directly download it inside your VR headset through your Meta App Store. And to run the software from Steam, you have to connect your VR headset to your PC. And also you can use it as a standalone, only using your VR from your Meta App Store.